So here's the coin. Um, it's pretty tarnished. As you can see, it's pretty like black in the corners and in the little cracks there. What I did was I just poured Tarn X into a cup, and then I used this sponge cloth to just kind of wipe it down. As you can see, it's already getting pretty shiny. Always use gloves with any chemicals you use. The fumes are pretty strong, so I would pour very little in a cup. And then just dab if this is the way you want to clean your coins. I just wanted to see if Tarn X would work on my coins, because I wasn't sure if they were real silver or not, and I guess they are real silver, so I'm probably going to cut everything off and then rebead everything. And then just throw the coins into like a bucket or something with the Tarn X. That way I don't have to wash every single one. But there you go, it looks pretty good. I've heard that you shouldn't use it with second silver, so I'd watch out if you want to use it with second silver, because it might turn your silver black, or the second silver black, so FYI. But yeah, there it is. Nice and shiny. Okay everyone, thanks for watching. Have a good rest of the day. Bye.